Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn about Indian and international number system. So basically what is this? Why are we supposed to learn international number system? See, whenever you are talking about numbers with people outside India, you will be making use of this international number system and not Indian. Why? Because they are not aware of the numbers like crores, lakhs. They are only aware of the numbers like millions, thousands, and so on. Okay, so here if you will go and tell them that I want 1 lakh rupees, they will be clueless because they are not aware of the term lakhs. They are only aware of the term million and thousands and billions and so on. So that's the reason why you have to learn about international number system. So now we will first check what are the places or let's say periods in Indian number system. So here periods are crore, lakhs, thousand and ones. And under this periods comes the place which is like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakh crore and 10 crore. Whereas if you will compare this Indian number system with international, what you observe is in periods there are millions, thousands and ones. There is no lakhs and crores. And in places there are ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. The one thing you have to remember over here is whenever you are putting commas, we put it as per the period. Like in Indian system, what we do, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakhs, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore, comma, right? That is how we put commas in the number. Just like that, in international number system, we are going to do the same thing. We will be putting commas as per the period. So here it will be 1, 10, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and then comma, million, 10 million, 100 million, then comma, and so on. So here what you observe in Indian number system, the way of putting commas is first 3 number, you leave 3 number from the right, then 2 number, then 2 number and so on. And in case of international, you leave 3 digits from the right, again 3 digit, again 3 digit and so on. So this is how we put commas in international and Indian number system. Now here I'll take one example of a number which I will write in both Indian number system and international number system. So here, as I said, as per Indian number system, what is the way of putting commas? First, let me write the number. Okay, so what is the format of putting commas? First, you leave 3 digit and then 2 digit and so on. Correct? So this is how you put the commas first. Now let's write this number in Indian number system. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So Indian way, Indian thing you know. So it will be 28 lakh, 60,000, 100 and 73. So this is how you write this number in Indian number system. Now we will take the same number and we will write it in international number system. So first let's write the number, that is just write the digit so that we can know how to put the commas. Okay, now what was the format? In international it is easy, it is only 333 everywhere. But you have to start putting the commas from the right hand side, not from the left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, so now let's go and read this number. First, we will start looking at the places of the digits from right hand side. This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and this is million. So you are going to write this as 2 million. 8 is in 10,000's place. So you will write it as 860,000 and this you all are aware, 173. So now I'll share a trick with you. Here you must all be wondering, how did ma'am write number 860,000? Correct? Like that you get confused when you have to write the digits when it is in the millions place also. So I'll tell you a trick. Now this is number 860. Just write this number 860 in your mind. How are you going to read this number? 860, correct? Same thing you have to do. Here you have to write 860, and then you have to check in which period it is. Is it in thousand period or is it in millions period? It is thousand, so you just have to add the name thousand at the end. Same thing you will be doing if this number 860 is in millions period. So what you will be doing, first forget that it is in millions period, you just focus on this three number which is 860. So I'll read this number as 860. Now you go and check in which period it is, million. So how you are going to read this? 860 million, and then whatever number it will be ahead. So that is a trick which I used, and that helped me in understanding this number system very easily. Now one more sum I'll take, which is 5, 5, 8 in 8 to 7. First thing is to put the commas. Now I will be writing it as per Indian number system. Start putting the commas from the right. 1, 2, 3, then 2, 1, 2. Then start checking which place it is. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it will be 55 lakh 89,800. Please excuse my handwriting over here. And 27. And the same number I will read it in international number system is, first let's write the digit 5589827. Let's first put the commas which will make it easy for us to read the numbers. 3 digit from the right, comma, 3 digit from the right, comma. Now 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and again a million. So you will read it as 5 million. Now apply the trick which I have shared earlier. Just focus on this three number 589. 589 means I'll say it as 589. Now check which place. Now check which period it is. 1000. So 1000, and then go with the other numbers. Done with that part. And then which is it is 827. So 827. Done. So this is how you read the number in international and Indian number system. I hope you have understood this. If yes, then please do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.